Audi RS3 versus 2024 BMW M2, an epic battle of German engineering. Both the 2024 Audi RS3 and 2024 BMW M2 are incredible cars in their own right. So which luxury sports car offers the ultimate driving satisfaction? Based on my real-world experience, the 2024 Audi RS3 and the 2024 BMW M2 are two of the best contemporary German compact cars on green earth. This opinion is mainly rooted in driving experience rather than aspects like comfort, luxury, and aesthetics. Looks are subjective, and I acknowledge they may vary from person to person. While I was a fan of the bold, serious demeanor of the previous, first-generation F87 BMW M2, I actually prefer the current generation M2 as it now offers up a GT vibe thanks to an elongated hood, flared rear stance and larger than before cabin. 2024 Audi RS3 exterior. RS3 brings amped up A3 styling. On the other hand, the Audi is simply an aggressive Audi. It doesn't stand out much from the usual modern RS design language, which hasn't evolved significantly over the past few years. However, the 2024 3 Rupees looks proportionate, stylish, and just hardcore enough to convey that it's a high-performance car. 2024 Audi RS3 versus 2024 BMW M2, twin-turbo inline-6 versus turbo inline-5, two distinct juggernauts. BMW and INLINE6 is a harmonious combination appreciated by enthusiasts worldwide. The 2024 BMW M2 sports an INLINE6 that is truly monstrous. The M2's twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter engine delivers 453 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, which is substantial for a car of its size. It's the same engine powering the current-gen BMW M4 and M3, though with 20 fewer horses. This powerhouse is undeniably a beast, and having experienced its performance in the M2's elder siblings, I can confidently say that it's most enjoyable in the compact M2. 2024 BMW M2 exterior. Powering the 2024 Audi RS3 is a different engine altogether. It's one-cylinder short, but certainly not lacking in fun. The award-winning turbocharged 5-cylinder engine of the 3 Rupees is unique yet outstanding, potent, smooth, and sonorous. It churns out 401 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. While it might seem less powerful on paper, you wouldn't notice it from the driver's seat of the RS3. How do these powertrains actually feel? The BMW M2's 6-cylinder is a tried-and-true instrument of high-speed propulsion. It's all around impressive and represents the best of what BMW offers. The Audi RS3's 5-cylinder, on the other hand, provides a one-of-a-kind experience. It sounds and feels distinct from anything else on the road. Plus, if you opt for the 3 Rupees, you get the bragging rights for owning the most powerful 5-cylinder production car. The 2024 Audi RS3 is faster to 60 miles per hour, while the 2024 BMW M2 offers a godsend 6-speed manual. The 2024 Audi RS3 comes with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which is among the best in the business. While I noticed a slight hesitation in downshifts during hard braking, this was effectively compensated by the car's strong brakes. This didn't hinder the driving experience to a noticeable extent, and the performance of this dual-clutch unit is truly exceptional. Acceleration to 60 miles per hour takes around 3.3 to 3.5 seconds, and it feels both ballistic and firmly planted while sprinting. 2024 Audi RS3 interior. However, the 2024 BMW M2 offers 2 transmission options: a 6-speed manual and an 8-speed automatic. The one I drove had the manual, and it was as divine as you'd expect. No automated transmission can replicate that mechanical feel, which is exactly why you should go for the manual if you're considering an M2. It is slower to 60 miles per hour, taking around 4 seconds, but that wait is totally worth it. The automatic version might be faster, but even then, the 3 rupees is likely to be quicker. 2024 Audi RS3 versus 2024 BMW M2, rally redolent all-wheel drive versus purebred rear-wheel drive. The BMW M2 is like a PB&J sandwich, something you can enjoy every day and also as occasional comfort food. The only downside is the occasional sugar rush, which in this case is butterflies in your stomach. This describes the driving experience of the 2024 BMW M2 perfectly. It's fun, versatile, and can serve as your daily driver, track car, drift machine, or road trip companion. In its stock form, the M2 can fulfill all these roles elegantly. 2024 BMW M2 interior. The 2024 Audi RS3 is less of a hooligan. If the M2 is a playful bimmer, the RS3 is a sharp, controlled quattro. In its usual RS modes, the 3 rupees is supremely in control, allowing even novice drivers to push it to the limits. It's more beginner-friendly, but that doesn't mean it lacks thrills for expert enthusiasts. The RS3 is a safe yet exciting car for a novice driver and a precise, thrilling machine for more experienced drivers. You might wonder if it can go sideways like the M2. The answer is yes. Although the 3 rupees is inherently an AWD car, it has a trick up its sleeve. It sports a rear-biased all-wheel drivetrain with a clever differential. Put it into drift mode, and you're ready to swing the rear around. Final thoughts. So, which one suits you better? The choice here boils down to personal preference. Both cars have provided me with the unexplainable pleasure of driving. You really can't go wrong with either. However, I would pick the RS3 for daily driving and the BMW M2 for those times I want an occasional adrenaline rush, as it's simply a little more fun with rear-wheel drive.